Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start playing Honkai Star Rail. First, download the game on your chosen device, whether it's your computer, phone, or PlayStation. Once installed, dive into the initial tutorial. This guided experience will introduce you to fundamental controls, basic combat, and the captivating world. Pay close attention to these early steps, as they lay the groundwork for your entire journey across the cosmos. You'll quickly grasp the core loop of exploring, engaging in story, and battling foes. Understanding your characters is key to success. Each character belongs to a specific path, defining their role, and an element which dictates their damage type. You'll want to assemble a balanced team of 4, considering both offensive and supportive roles. During combat, manage your skill points carefully to unleash powerful abilities. Don't forget to charge and deploy your ultimate abilities at opportune moments to turn the tide of battle against formidable foes. Mastering these basics will make your fights much smoother. As you progress, resource management becomes crucial. Make sure to complete your daily and weekly missions. They offer a steady stream of experience materials and currency. Focus on leveling up your favorite characters, their light cones, and equipping them with strong relics to boost their stats significantly. Stellar Jade, the premium currency, is best spent on warps to expand your roster with new, powerful characters and light cones. Strategic spending ensures your team remains strong and ready for challenges. The universe of Honkai Star Rail is vast and full of wonders. Immerse yourself in the main story quests, which will guide you through captivating narratives and introduce you to memorable characters. Take time to explore each planet thoroughly. You'll find hidden chests, challenging puzzles, and side quests that offer additional lore and rewards. Also, keep an eye out for limited-time events. These often provide exclusive items, characters, and fun new gameplay modes, enriching your overall journey across the stars.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.